We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
While a full fridge keeps the cool better than an empty one, that doesn't mean you should overfill it. A fridge that's too full can lead to poor air circulation and lesser efficiency. As long as the shelves are full, but not overflowing, you should be okay. Now take a look in the freezer compartment.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.